national award-winning producer and entrepreneur Madhu Mantena Verma is the next person in the NCB net. In fact, he's been summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau on Wednesday. His name cropped up in the interrogation of Jaya Saha today, and Jaya Saha works for Quant, and Madhu Mantena has investments in Quant. Now, what is this agency Quant all about, which had all of these people who were talking about drugs? There is Jaya Saha, there is Shruti Modi, there is Madhu Mantena, who owns this company, and there is another individual called Amit, whose name surfaces in the Deepika Padukone Karishma chats, and in these chats this Amit person is also an employee of Quant, as is Karishma. He's a film producer and entrepreneur, and he's a man who has produced several hit films like Gajni, Queen, and many others. He's an investor in Quant, has been summoned day after tomorrow, which is the 23rd of September. Big breaking news coming in. Urta Punjab also, Super 30, all these films have been made by Madhu Mantena, and I want to get in Rahul Ishwar. Rahul Ishwar, how does it happen that all of these people who have any connections with Quant have connections with drugs as well? Sorry, I think your phone, yeah. I can't hear you. Yeah, go on now.
I congratulate Times Now for the war on drugs, and there cannot be any compromise on it. We should take forward it. But the only point is, September 16, Times Now itself reported, no actionable inputs reveal drugs and film industry nexus. This was by G. Kishan Reddy, who is in charge of the Home Ministry. So let us not blow anything out of proportion. Let us keep things in proportion. This is the only humble request. And the second thing, just like the Delhi High Court verdict, that they said Ria or the Rakul Preet media trial, because reputation takes years to build. We should be fair to people. Yes, there are many allegations, but we should be fair to people. There is an allegation against Deepika. There was an addition by Kangana Ranaut.
Reputations. Dr. Sambit Patra, reputations are important, and I won't grudge anybody trying to defend reputations here. But Dr. Patra, रेप्यूटेशन की इतनी चिंता है तो इतने ओपनली ड्रग्स हो रहे हैं, चैट्स पे मांग रहे हैं, माल दे दो, हैश नहीं तो गांजा दे दो, वीड दे दो, वीड नहीं चाहिए, हैश चाहिए, तब रेप्यूटेशन का ख्याल नहीं आता है। डूबी दे दो और बूम दे दो, तब रेप्यूटेशन का ख्याल नहीं आया कि हम ओपन सोर्स पे ये मांग रहे हैं, ये लोग हमारे घर आ जा रहे हैं, तब तो रेप्यूटेशन का किसी को ख्याल नहीं आया। लेकिन मीडिया को चुप कराना है, क्योंकि बड़े लोगों का नाम जब बाहर आता है तो इज्जत को नुकसान होता है। डॉक्टर पात्रा, दाल में कुछ काला नहीं नजर आ रहा?
हाँ, दाल में काला. Remember, I mean, look at this debate. The question was, is Miss D or Miss A, B, C, D, whoever they are, is she guilty of taking drugs? And look at the excuses. Excuse number one, so what? The farmers in Nepal grow opium. So what will Miss D do? It's not Miss D's fault. Second excuse, so what? BJP is getting the maximum amount of donations, so it's not Miss D's fault. And then comes reputation. Dal mein kala is paase Navika, now it's penguin ka peet kala. नहीं, let me tell you, दाल में काला इस पासे, पेंगुइन का पीठ काला. देखो, मैं पेंगुइन बोलते ही फॉक्स आएगा. As soon as I talk against the penguin, the fox will leap in. Look at him. I speak against the penguin, and the fox jumps in out of the forest to defend the penguin. ये penguin और fox की जोड़ी को देखो जरा. देखो. What do you know of penguin? No, I was telling that dal mein kala is paase, it is penguin ka peet kala. Why are you so disturbed? No, I don't understand why Mr. Ravi Tiwari is here to defend all kind of wrongdoing.
आप क्या कह रहे हैं पेंगुइन के बारे में? आप क्या कह रहे हैं डॉक्टर पात्रा? पेंगुइन के बारे में क्या कह रहे हैं आप?
ये क्या बोल रहा है? कौन पेंगुइन है?
नहीं, एक मिनट सुनने तो दीजिए. आप बीच में बोलेंगे तो सुनेंगे कैसे? कौन है पेंगुइन?
No, I was saying, when you asked me the question, नहीं, मैं बता रहा हूँ, only if the Penguin spokesperson is quiet, I'll be able to speak. Thank you. Navika, when you asked me दाल में कुछ काला है, I said, gone are those days when we used to say दाल में कुछ काला. Now people are saying Penguin का पीठ काला. I mean, that is in fact an acronym which is more dangerous than दाल में कुछ काला है. दाल में कुछ काला है तो कुछ निकाल के फेंक सकते हैं, दाल को ग्रहण कर सकते हैं. But look at this penguin का पीठ काला. You may scrub the penguin's feet, but that dhabba will never go off penguin.
Well,
so that is what
Shehzad Poonawala, I want to ask you tonight one question. It is Madhu Mantena. Udta Punjab is the film that he makes. Yes, he must be a very creatively good guy. He's a national award winner, has given hit films. लेकिन कौन में क्या चल रहा है, इन्वेस्टर हैं और कौन के लोग दीपिका पाडुकोन को सप्लाई कर रहे हैं, ये क्या चल रहा है बॉलीवुड में? क्यों चुप होने को हमें कह रहे हैं? Why are they demanding a gag on the media so that their names don't come out? Shehzad Poonawala?
Navika Kumar, this chat does not prove anything, I'm telling you.
First, you'll have to gag this spokesperson of the Penguin because he'll keep interrupting and I won't be able to make my
I'm running out of time. Quick
Can you please
Tripathi.
kindly gag him because he understands. Yes, Navika. The point is कि कौन drugs के supply list में था वो पता करना पड़ेगा. But see, Fanny was finding hash and Tehseen and Nasir are becoming मस्तानी. और नासिर के तो नाम में ही नासिर है तो उसका तो समझ में आता है. पर तहसीन बोल रहा है ये बीजेपी वालों की क्या धरा है. अरे तो बीजेपी वालों का तो आपकी मुंबई पुलिस पेंगुइन की तरह क्यों इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रही थी? पहले ही पकड़ लेती. नाविका को स्टोरी करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. 65 दिन तक रवि श्रीवास्तव को पेंगुइन के बचाव के लिए भेजा और आज बोल रहे हैं ये बीजेपी वालों का ड्रग लिंक है. तो भाई आप पकड़ लेते. और नासिर, डोंट लिव अप टू योर नेम सर. कभी तो सिर वाली बात करो, सिर पैर वाली कभी तो बात कर लो सर.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, two big disclosures here on the News Hour tonight. I showed you the chats between Karishma, Kwon employee, and the biggest A-lister in town, Deepika Padukone, asking for hash, not weed. That's the conversation, and Deepika Padukone is going to be summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau this week. And Madhu Mantena, National Award winner, has made 25 films, is the Narcotics Control Bureau's guest on Wednesday, 23rd of September. The names are here with evidence, ladies and gentlemen. So before you decide to gag us, shoot us, point fingers at us, remember, we always come with evidence, not speculation.